we now discuss the questions which are asked from the subject transistors in all the questions that are asked in test series 3 for IN stream. So the first question we get is 1 mark question, and it is from the topic measurement of non-integral quantities, which is very frequent topic from which questions are asked. Number of questions are asked. So basically the first question is of a resistive transducer type. So a non-linear potentiometer or heliport of total resistance 1 kilo ohm is designed to measure angular displacement from 0 to 90 degrees. So you have so the arrangement is something like this. So where this is my pot, and you have resistance which is in terms of placed in terms of an angular. So it is from 0 to 90 degrees. So it is 0 to 90 degrees when the pot moves, slider moves. So that is what is explained here at a temperature of 50 degrees centigrade. So the pot is maintained at 50 degrees centigrade. So the output voltage is given by the expression. This is very important. The output expression is 5 times Rp of sine theta millivolts. The output is in terms of millivolts. So if it is to be used at a temperature of 90 degrees centigrade, so the same setup, this kind of setup is now moved to a temperature of 90 degrees centigrade. So what is the maximum output voltage in terms of volts? So we have to be careful with the units. Here it is asked in terms of volts, and here the derating factor of the pot is 1 ohm per degree centigrade, and the supply voltage is 5 volts. So here you can clearly see the total resistance of the pot is given as 1 kilo ohm, and the resistance degrades at a factor of 1 ohm per degree centigrade. So we need to calculate what is the effective resistance at 90 degrees centigrade before substituting the quantity here. And here where Rp, which is not mentioned in the question, so here Rp stands for the effective resistance. So Rp is the effective resistance of the pot. So first, in order to calculate what is the maximum output voltage, we need to calculate the Rp, and we know maximum output voltage we will get when theta is 90 degrees. So we know all the quantities except Rp, which is the effective resistance. So first we will calculate what is the effective resistance. We are given with the derating factor of 1 ohm per degree centigrade, so we can calculate the effective resistance, which is nothing but total resistance, which is 1000 ohms minus 1 ohm into 90 minus 50. So effectively it is placed now at 90, initially it was at 50 degrees centigrade. So I get the total effective resistance Rp or RT as 960 ohms. So we know all the quantities. Now we can substitute in the output voltage expression, which is given in the question. So which is nothing but 5 times. So I write down here the output expression is 5 times Rp sine theta millivolts. So this is my governing expression of output voltage from the given heliport. So we now substitute all the quantities. 5 into 960 into sine theta. Why we are taking sine theta 90 degrees is because we are asked to calculate what is the, this is very important, maximum output voltage from the pot. So when I substitute theta as 90, the output voltage as 4.8 volts. So here the correct answer is, in terms of voltage,